Hey there, music fans. Check out our Discovering Jazz and Classical Music LibGuide. This guide is intended for both public and academic use and is a great resource for enthusiasts. To begin, click Start Here to view a sliding gallery of legendary jazz albums and renowned classical works. If you're new to these genres, give yourself some time and sample all of this great music to put yourself in the spirit of music discovery. When you're ready to read, hop over to the Find a Book tab and peruse a curated list of print and online materials. See what it takes to be a music journalist with these writing guides that detail the genre and style. Next, whether you're a student or an experienced player, information is power, so dive in and find an article or explore a database. For example, start at the Music Index by EBSCOhost and search by artist name. Refine your search results with the buttons at the left, from peer-reviewed to source type and publication and more. First rule of databases is always try more than one. When you're finished here, head back to the Find a Music Database tab and see what you can find in the Oxford music databases we have available. If you're in discovery mode, click on Listen to New Music, where you can sample some more music. And with YouTube videos and a host of streaming services, where you can listen to everything from folk and blues to rap and hard rock. For working musicians out there, click on the Learn How to Play and check out our resources to help you learn more about your craft, like music theory, online recording tracks, backing tracks, and more. For a refresher and how to legally copyright your work, click on the Copyright Basics tab. If you found this LibGuide interesting or helpful, let us know, or if you'd like to suggest a resource to add, we're always listening.